each day, donations the only way. Food for a child, a mother, a senior, together we can help. Health is the only wealth when you give to someone else. 95 years, started with just 700 kind peers, helping each year. So dedicated, 95 years of drying tears. Keeping the lights on, clean beds to sleep on, warm nights, less fright, it's what we do. Help others through, bridge the excess, poverty and success. 95 years, started with just one, I need them each day, got them on their way. Supportive, devoted, 95 years of drying tears. Homeless, desperate, waiting on the next check, nowhere to turn. Landlord's firm, kids on the street, nothing to eat. Everyone's unique, every story incomplete. 95 years, started with just one. I must connect with the desperate, share the dignity, empathy and respect. 95 years of drying tears. How long can I wait? How much can I take? Choice against slim, little work, less pay. Food for my family, shelter a priority. Chaotic days, can't find my way. 95 years, started with just one, a job never done. Will you be the one? Together we are there in our community cares. 95 years of drying, 95 years of drying.